Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am here to present to you the walkthrough of my mini album using the Country Craft Creations Birthday Collection. You may have seen some sneak peeks on the Country Craft and Creations Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group, but here is the reveal of the walkthrough. So I did use this new collection. It just came out this month, August 2024. It is available on the website. I will list the website and all of the products that I used that came in my design team project in the description box so you can see exactly what I used. Now let me move this out of the way and show you dun, 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 the Happy Birthday album. And as you can see, it's bright and colorful and lots of fun. The album measures 6 by 8 with a 2.5 inch spine. The pages are 5.5 by 7.5. So I wanted to make sure you could put those 4 by 6 photos on, but there's also room for smaller photos because you may have a smaller photo printer or you may be using some older photos. And older photos would work with this because it's sort of got a retro vintage feel to it. I did use some other products. For a full list of all the products or for a full reveal, go check out my haul video and it goes over everything I used. So here's the cover. It's layered up. You can see the dimension, but there is 5 or 6 different layers. If I show you this way, you really still can't see it. But this is layered, and that's layered. And of course, we have these beautiful self-adhesive gems from Spellbinders that really added a nice glow to it. Let me take you inside and show you the album. It's got 5 signatures, and each signature has a hidden photo mat here at the side. So over here, this is the inside front cover. And again, I don't think you can see the dimension on here. Hopefully some of the still photos I show at the end of the video will show you. But this is one of the tags from the collection. This is a slider belly band. Oops. So this will open this way. And this is a great spot to put your photos. And also it'll open that way. And there actually is a photo mat here, and you can put a great picture right there. So this will just slide in like that and slide like that. I also did a video showing you how I decorated it. And not only do I talk about all of the measurements for almost every, I may have missed one, but all of the different elements, but I tell you why I used some different colors and how I came up with the how I came up with the paper selection for each group of pages. So on this one, we've got this cut apart, and that'll open like that. And there's room on this here to put a photo and a photo there. And again, these are all different sizes. This, you could actually put a 4 by 6 photo there, but you also could put smaller pictures. Room here for a picture. And then here's a pocket. So even if you don't have enough room to put all of the photos in your mini album, there's a pocket for you to add some extras. There is the hidden pocket page, and these measure 4.5 by 6.5, a little bigger than 6.5. So obviously a 4 by 6 photo can fit. I show you in the decorating video exactly how I made those as well. This is just a little tuck spot to put a little photo if you want, but then this whole page opens to show you some more photo mats. There's this great paper. This was a little border strip, and I used that to help figure out how to decorate this page, I used some of the candle numbers. It's open at the side. There is a photo mat there. And this goes from 1 through 9. You could cover that with a photo, still having some of that show, but here is 10, and that is open, so you could put a photo there. I did use a magnet to close that. This is just a belly band with the 1 through 9 numbers, and we've got a couple of photo mats just tucked in there. Here is the other hidden photo mat tucked right into that pocket. Now this one will open this way, and I suggest that you wait till you get it all decorated before you put the magnet on, because it may get thicker than you think. So this will come down and that will come up. This is open at the bottom, so you could add a photo here. And this actually all comes out so you can pass this around if you want and show everybody all the pictures. Here is a waterfall. Now I did not use paper on the waterfall because I just wanted to save some room. The last page has this little image on it, and there is that. Over here it just is a side loading pocket with a pretty photo mat. I loved using this pink pinstripe paper just for added accent. Look at how nicely that coordinates. There is our photo mat for there. I tell you in the description box what color papers these are. They really aren't made with the collection, but they match the collection wonderfully. Now this next page has really that cool retro vibe to it. This little card was the inspiration. There's room on the back to journal or to put a photo. I also used this belly band, or I guess it's a belly band, but it was the border strip. And I took one of these telegrams and left it so you could put a note in here. That goes in like that. And then there's also another photo mat behind the gal. This opens up here. This is open so you could put a photo mat or even just a little journaling. And this is open. I just added that little birthday cake. And then this also will go to the side, giving you room to put a photo and a photo right here. And then this will open up. Now there was a page that had all of these birthday grams on it. So I added some in the corners as tuck spots or just to add a little interest to the page. But there's room there for a 4x6 photo. That'll close. And then we're continuing with the birthday gram theme. This opens like that. There is lots of room in this spread for photos. So there's photo mats here for the smaller ones, like the old-fashioned ones with the white borders around it, the old sort of Polaroid ones. And then there's room here as well. This is just tucking in there, a good place you could journal or add more of your photos. Here is the hidden photo mat that goes in this signature. I'll put that in later. So on this page, this is a birthday. It's got the birthday presents. It's got a couple of layers on it, but it also holds down this landscape waterfall. And again, I didn't cover the back just to keep things from getting too tight. I made a little tag that's got the pom-pom ribbon, and here's a little birthday sentiment, which actually came from the cover. So that goes in here. And again, we have this detailing of this pinstripe and the pink border to go on along with it. I did use some of that ribbon. Oh, I didn't show you the spine, but I'll show you that later. Here's some more of the presents, a couple of the spellbinders, enamel dots or embellishments that'll open up. And there's a couple of birthday cake or birthday presents there that serve as a tuck spot. You can add photos to that. And then here we've got these birthday cakes here are presents, and they come out and they are simply some photo mats with the birthday presents as a pull tab. Here is the hidden photo mat. So you can see, you can get a lot of photos in these pages. And then on the final page, we've got this vintage photo, well, picture. And there is another photo mat. And here is the accordion pocket with a flap. I left this so you could add birthday cards. I mean, I can get my whole hand in there. There's lots of room to put birthday cards. There was this image I didn't want to exclude. It's just a little folder to put a couple more pictures in. And here is another photo mat to put photos on. Even if you don't have a full 4x6 photo, just a landscape photo there would be adorable. I had used this birthday banner that was in one of the pages. And there's the back cover, and then here's the spine. There we go. Now you can see the ribbon. It just adds a little detail to the spine of the book. And there we go. There is the newest mini album that I've made using the birthday collection from Country Craft Creations. There is a tutorial video and then another video showing you how I decorated the book. There is also a video showing you all of the products I used in my haul video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And thanks again. Have a fabulous day.